The Career Code, Top 10 Psychological Tactics for Getting Ahead at Work. The modern workplace, a complex ecosystem of personalities and ambitions, demands more than just technical skills. It requires a nuanced understanding of human behavior, a mastery of subtle psychological tactics that can elevate your career trajectory. It's not about manipulation, but rather about strategic communication and emotional intelligence. Climbing the professional ladder involves navigating office dynamics, building influential relationships, and projecting an image of competence and confidence. These tactics, rooted in psychological principles, can provide a significant advantage in today's competitive environment. 1. The halo effect, projecting competence. First impressions matter. The halo effect dictates that positive attributes in one area can influence perceptions in others. Dress professionally, communicate confidently, and demonstrate competence in your work. This creates a positive halo, making others perceive you as capable and reliable. 2. Reciprocity, the art of giving. Human beings are wired for reciprocity. When you do something for someone, they feel compelled to return the favor. Offer assistance, share knowledge, and provide support to your colleagues. This fosters goodwill and strengthens your professional network. 3. Social proof, the power of endorsement. People are more likely to trust and follow the lead of those who are perceived as popular or successful. Seek out endorsements from respected colleagues and supervisors. Highlight your achievements and contributions, showcasing your value to the organization. 4. Framing, shaping perceptions. How you present information can significantly impact how it's received. Frame your ideas and accomplishments in a positive light, emphasizing their benefits and impact. Use language that resonates with your audience and aligns with the company's values. 5. Active listening, the key to connection. Truly listening to others demonstrates respect and builds rapport. Practice active listening by paying attention, asking clarifying questions, and summarizing key points. This fosters trust and strengthens relationships. 6. Emotional intelligence, navigating dynamics. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is crucial for navigating office politics and building strong relationships. Understand your own emotions and those of others. Develop empathy, manage conflict effectively, and communicate with tact and diplomacy. 7. The scarcity principle, creating demand. Perceived scarcity increases value. Demonstrate that your time and expertise are valuable and in demand. This can be achieved by managing your availability, prioritizing your tasks, and highlighting your unique skills. 8. Consistency and commitment, building trust. Consistency in your actions and commitment to your work builds trust and credibility. Follow through on your promises, meet deadlines, and demonstrate reliability. This establishes you as a dependable and trustworthy colleague. 9. Strategic networking, cultivating connections. Building a strong professional network is essential for career advancement. Cultivate relationships with colleagues, mentors, and industry professionals. Attend networking events, participate in industry forums, and leverage social media platforms. 10. The Pygmalion effect, expectation and performance. High expectations can lead to improved performance. Set ambitious goals for yourself and your team. Believe in your abilities and the abilities of those around you. This can create a self-fulfilling prophecy, leading to greater success. Mastering these psychological tactics requires practice and self-awareness. However, by understanding and applying these principles, you can enhance your professional presence, build stronger relationships, and accelerate your career advancement. Further reading: Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini. Emotional Intelligence 2.0 by Travis Bradbury and Jean Greaves. Never Eat Alone by Keith Ferrazzi. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey.